Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to merge PDFs directly in Chrome using a simple extension. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a submenu will expand showing additional extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of tools to enhance your browser's functionality. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in PDF Merger, then press Enter. The store will display several extension options related to PDF merging. Look through the results and click on the PDF Merger extension that best matches what you're looking for. This extension will allow you to combine multiple PDF files into a single document without needing any additional software. After clicking on the extension, you'll be taken to its details page where you can read more about its features and reviews. When you're ready to install it, click the Add to Chrome button located near the top of the page. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to confirm and proceed. The extension will download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. Now that the extension is installed, look at the top right area of your Chrome browser where you'll see a puzzle piece icon. This represents your extensions menu. Click on this icon to see all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, find and click on PDF Merger to launch the tool. The PDF Merger interface will now open in a new tab. You'll see a clean, straightforward layout designed specifically for combining PDFs. Click on the button that says Add First PDF. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate through your folders to locate the first PDF file you want to merge, select it, and click Open. The file will be uploaded to the Merger tool and you'll see it displayed in the interface. Next, click on Add Second PDF. Your file browser will open again, allowing you to select another PDF file from your computer. Choose the second PDF you want to combine with the first one and click Open. Both PDFs are now loaded into the Merger and ready to be combined into a single document. Once both files are added, click the Merge button to start the combination process. After the merging is complete, your browser will prompt you to save the newly created file. A Save dialog will appear where you can choose the location on your computer where you want to store the merged PDF. Navigate to your preferred folder, give the file a name if you'd like, and then click Save. And that's it, you've successfully merged two PDF files using Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.